Alright, we're doing a firework inventory stash thing, whatever you call it. Okay, we got these DFS fireworks from Discount Fireworks. We got tons of crackling balls, as you can see. We got red snaps by TNT. We got tons of glow peats, as you can see. Got even more. Got magic whips. Tons of ground blooms. And tons. Non-crackling DFS ones. Crackling DFS ones. Even more. And got mag loud. We got a couple of them. And you saw that box. Another box. Got some parachutes. Even more ground blooms. Pack of DFS fountains. Oh yeah. These are good finds. Got purple rain. Some miscellaneous items. And then got some water tubes. We got raccoon fireworks, cake, 25 shots, 200 grammer. Got these pack of punch, ground blooms, another pack, buy one get one free. Another pack of crackling balls, another pack, buy one get one free again. Got crazy paint, Roman candles, shout out Dynamite Fireworks, I think it is. We got that assortment pack. Yeah, Dynamite Fireworks is a really good place to shop at, just so you know. And then we got 6-inch brocade crown, tiger tail, white brocade crown. I'll drop a video in there. These are good shells. I would recommend picking them up. It's a 6-pack because I didn't have enough money to buy a full pack, a full 24-pack, but it's okay. And I got these. Got so much more ground blooms. These are really good ground blooms. I would recommend looking for them. Crackling, non-crackling. Then over here, hold up. Over here, we got some bird wings. Got some birdies, like flying ground blooms. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos or ask questions, please drop a comment. And I don't care about the views or anything. I'm just doing this because I'm crazy about fireworks, and I think you guys should be too. Shout out Chypercraft. If you're watching this, I love your videos, man. Like, actually, like, I watch them all the time. Like, they're the best, dude. Yes, that's what it is. These, oh my god, these are good. But yeah, if you want to see another video, comment. Yeah, if you like my content, then subscribe. This is my first ever video, I think. So yeah. Alright, see ya.